In this video, I will show you how to delete KakaoTalk account permanently. First of all, log to your KakaoTalk account. Once you are here, simply tap on Settings, gear icon at the top, then tap on General Settings. Now in the Settings, tap on Privacy, then tap on Manage My Personal Info. After that, tap on this Unregister from KakaoTalk option. Now here, tap on this circle to mark it as tick, and tap on Unregister from KakaoTalk option. Then tap on Unregister in order to delete your KakaoTalk account. It's mandatory to unregister it from eTalk first, and this is the process to unregister your account. But right now it says that due to some issues within the app, you have to try it later. So come back within 48 to 72 hours, and through the same process you can unregister your account. Now again, go back to the settings. Scroll down and tap on the Customer Service Operation Policy option. Once you are here, scroll down and tap on Kakao account again. Scroll down and tap on the option. How do I delete my Kakao account? Scroll down, and you will find Delete My Account option here under the third point. Tap on it. Tap on Confirm. Then enter your password and tap on Confirm. Now here, again, tap on Confirm. And to complete the process for deleting your account, simply tap on Confirm again. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.